After the fiberglass tub has been removed, the next step is to redo the plumbing. We're going to switch the plumbing over from the tub plumbing unit to a shower plumbing setup. Got the control valve in the shower head. It's pretty good to get the shower head high. It seems to be the most comfortable setup. That's one important little point there. As far as the drain, a tub generally takes 1.5 inch drain pipe. Your shower will require a 2-inch drain pipe, so take out the old 1.5 inch drain pipe and replace it with a 2-inch pipe. Also important at this step is to take a look at the subfloor. The subfloor must be level and also solid. The old subfloor did have a little water damage, so there was some flex, so we did replace the subfloor. Checking it for level, the subfloor was level, so we didn't have to raise or shim anywhere. Once the plumbing and the subfloor is taken care of, the next step will be to set the shower base into place. Before installing the shower base, we went ahead and installed the shower drain onto the base. One important point for the shower drain is you do want to get a good silicone seal in between the shower drain and the base. We do include silicone with every shower base, so please use the adhesive silicone that comes with the base. Also, for glueless shower drains, it's a lot easier removing the rubber gasket and the tightening nut from the drain before installing the base. So the easy method is simply to put one end of the shower base into a corner and then swing the other end in. Like so. So it's not necessary, but I do like to do it just to take up any variation in the floor. We will put a couple dabs of silicone underneath the base, but it certainly isn't necessary, but it is helpful at times. So once the silicone's down, just simply set the shower base down into place. The one thing that is important when setting the shower base, we will have to line up the drain with the pipe, and we'll just watch that as we go down here. After the base is set, we'll go ahead and put in the gasket and the tightening nut. And the gasket simply goes around the pipe, slips right down in between the pipe and the drain. And just tighten down the nut.